Have you ever tried to click an element in Selenium WebDriver only to find out that your test fails because the element cannot be found? But when you go to the website, you can see the element with your own eyes. This may be due to a timeout issue. And the way we handle timeouts in Selenium is by using waits. There are two different types of waits, implicit waits and explicit waits. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use implicit waits to make your test more reliable. Hello and welcome to automateNow. This is Marco Cruz. Let's dive in. Let's see what the official Selenium website has to say about implicit waits. And here it says that the WebDriver will poll the DOM for a certain duration when trying to locate any element in our tests. It also says that this can be useful when certain elements on the page are not available immediately and need some time to load. And here we see that the default value is 0, meaning that this is disabled, and we have to manually enable this in our tests. Once it is enabled, the implicit wait is set for the life of the session. Okay, so now that we know what an implicit wait does, let's go to the code and implement it. And here we have the method in our framework that is responsible for setting up the WebDriver. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a new line of code here, and we're going to say driver.manage.timeouts.implicitly wait. And this takes a duration object. So we're going to say duration dot, and let's go with seconds. And let's just say 5 seconds. So let's see what we're saying here. We're saying that when the browser session starts, we're going to wait by default 5 seconds when locating any element on a page. Please keep in mind that even though we're setting a duration of 5 seconds in this implicit wait, it doesn't mean that our tests are going to stop for 5 seconds. It only means that it's going to keep trying for up to 5 seconds. If it happens to find the element that it's looking for after only 1 second, then the test will continue execution. It will not sit there for the whole 5 seconds to continue execution. And to give you an example of how this can be useful, let's go to automateNow.io. If we do not set an implicit wait and we try to locate an element on this website, our test will immediately fail if that element isn't immediately available. And let's say that we navigate to this vlog section and we select Intro to Selenium WebDriver. I'm going to run this in real time so you can see what happens when I click this menu item here. And as you see, the page opens, but not all of the elements are loaded immediately. And if we had a test that navigated to this page and try to locate one of these elements here where the video is being shown, the test would fail if we had not specified that implicit wait. Another thing to note here is that I'm using 5 seconds as the default implicit wait time. However, based on the application that you're testing, you may need to adjust this time. And that's all there is to implicit waits. The bottom line is that it's a good practice to use an implicit wait in your framework. In the next video, we're going to take a look at another type of wait, which is an explicit wait. See you then.